Yeah, I'm not sure that the UK government is taking an active role. I know that death inquests have been opened into some of the cases. And in particular, I think there have been some questions regarding remains that were provided that may not have been correct, or at least that was the allegation. So I think the government in the UK has gotten involved with that respect. I'm not sure it has any active role in the defect or the crash investigation. We know that the head of the AAIB stood before Parliament and spoke and pledged independence from the government and the political process. However, we also know that the Indian government is very likely involved in the investigation. And so, again, until the final report is issued, we will not know what parties played a role and what information may be forthcoming.
Okay. In the preliminary report, it says that the fuse switches went from run to cut off like within a second. Like, do you think it's even possible?
Yeah, that's a good question. We know that there are several issues there. One is with respect to the granularity of the way time is marked on the recorder. It's possible that they both moved at the same time, just within a millisecond or two of each other, which may have triggered this recording of time on one side or the other of the 1 second mark, if that makes sense. Essentially simultaneously, but it could have shown up as being a second apart. We don't think that that's likely from a human perspective, whether it's possible. I've not personally done those tests. I can tell you that it doesn't seem likely. What does seem likely, however, is that the computer itself can trigger that change certainly within a second. And so that fits a little bit closer to the theories that are currently being discussed with respect to shorts and or automated or uncommanded changes in the computer system.